Yeah, look at that. Streams on, streams on.
Dial in, dial in, dial in.
Timmy, drop your guns. 10-4.
I got an SMG, I'm in there.
Me too.
Timmy, push right that house with me.
Yeah, I'm going in over here. I don't think no one's here.
No one. I'm gonna go left side.
Yeah, Max a little loot goblin. I gotta run away from him.
Goblin 10-4.
Bro, fucking Tez asked me, do you guys use claymores? Yo, ain't no way man wants to start using claymores. Yo, I'm going gas station. Push gas station with me. Right here.
No.
Oh my! He's not. He's right outside. He's right outside, bro.
I'm about to avenge you.
You got it, 10.
Yeah, every time you die, run a ping, please.
He's resting on Tenzin. On Tenzin.
Well done.
Tenzin.
Up in my...
There's one more. I saw one more from far though.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're coming up from gas station.
That is true.
He sniped me.
Push that shit, bro. Are you safe?
Nah, I'm selfing you again.
Sub Tenzin. Cross from T. We need guard though.
Oh, he's sniping me.
Ooh, damn. One of them sniped me.
2 down, 2 down.
Good shit.
Push that. They're bad.
Rush that. Good shit.
Andrew Tenzin.
One out window. They're pushing back. There's one right there. On you too. Good shit.
Shit.
Yeah, right behind. Yeah. Oh shit, I was getting in the house. 10-4.
The rest of that squad on your tag map. Go get hunting.
Let's go back. Teammates.
I avenge you.
Right side, right here over here, Timmy.
Gas is moving.
Yeah, someone's behind us.
No, with you, I'm behind. They're chasing you.
Where are they? We're jumping down.
Oh, that guy was right next to me.
No!
Hit on his teammate.
Oh my own. Good res. Good help. Nice. Team wipe.
People at winery.
Thank you for the res. Who's hopping in the whip with me?
Use your tag map to hunt down the rest of them.
Pick me up, 10-4. In 10-4.
Fuck.
One on me, I think he's following me.
I'm watching you? Fuck. I was Tenzin.
Oh my god.
Mortar. Unload out.
Across. Yeah. Behind me. I'm ping. Good shit.
Got him.
Maggie, come to me. Come on.
Oh, fuck, this mortar might kill
This
us.
mortar.
Let's go. Good shit, Maggie.
Good kill. The rest of that squad on your tag map. Go get hunting. Mission is to decrypt the signal by causing the most damage to enemy squads. Target down.
No!
You good, Tenzin?
Watch outside,
Yeah,
man.
What's watching?
It's crown.
There's multiple.
Ooh, yeah, you got me.
Damn, all y'all.
This is clutch. Good shit, boy. W res. Good shit, boy. No. He dropped down.
Bro, I'm like the medic.
No cap.
You're the medic in the game and in real life?
No cap.
No, bro. Don't go fucking dumbass loadout, bro. Fucking campers.
Can you even land back on my base?
I'm just on 3.
Holy shit. Timmy's popping off. Timmy, watch me on loadout for a sec. Just watch over the ledge.
He's here somewhere. Hold on.
Oh, fuck, on loadout.
My choke.
I see him for us.
No, they're all over. Fuck.
Ooh, behind him, Tinder. I'm seeing.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Bro, we gotta run somewhere else.
Just that.
Back on station.
We need to regroup.
Good work. March remaining
Let's help out
operators.
Timmy, because there's a shitload of loot there, too.
It's my last time trying to get fucking loadout, I swear to god.
I'm gonna buy loadout right here.
Loadout drop headed your way.
You good, Timmy?
Yeah.
Be attacked by an enemy squad. Get ready and survive.
Ooh, Timmy, can you grab your loadout by chance or no?
To hunt down
Yeah, I gotcha.
Good looks.
Buy Yui though.
Bet.
I need help on loadout.
I'll be yours or Tim?
Pop it, fuck it.
Wait, above us.
Got the one that was following you?
Good shit, boy.
He's behind us. Tenzin, watch that. Oh, we're good.
kill. Mark the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting.
Bring one in front of the... Yeah, one in front of the roof.
No, slow that. Doing me.
Our side loadout has people. The game loadout has people coming.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Landing on loadout, landing on our loadout to me.
Come on, I get him.
Sorry, Max. Sorry, I had to.
Rest of them.
No, you're good.
I'm on birdie.
Oh, get him. I'm gonna go back to my room.
On your attack.
Try to shoot me if you can, because I'm on board.
I have 21. Come on.
7 seconds.
I need a little more for loadout. Play me, please.
Equipment's inbound.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the house.
Alright, Timmy, thank you.
Resurgence window's about to close.
You want me to get killed or not, Timmy?
No. I need ammo. Wait, pick up this flare for me, please.
Yeah, right,
Kill.
No, res me.
Timmy, get Timmy.
Where?
Please just res me. Fuck it. I need one more kill to break PR.
Taking the lead in
Okay, I'm getting Tenzin up. Just cover for me then. For Tenzin.
Wait,
I'm healing.
enemy soldier.
Okay.
I thought your
Yeah.
PR was 29.
No.
I just watched your PR video.
No. Weapon crate is in enemy
One more
range.
kill for PR in this game.
Fire sales over.
Oh, I gotta get it, bro. Is
Wait,
it?
what's the deal with this game?
Oh, so weak. Sniping. PR is 23, so I'm tied at.
Oh,
Ooh, sniping across from winery.
Yeah, I see that. Down him. Fuck. Can't get the thirst.
Good shit.
You guys have AR ammo? Wait, below us.
The rest of them.
I have 24, I broke it. Let's go.
Good shit, boys.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Turn me up, boys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I think we
Way to-
cleared it too. I think we
Way
cleared it.
to play me, thank you. I'm gonna push this team over here. Maybe the 30?
Play for the dub now. You already got your PR. Play for the dub.
I gotta push back.
Timmy, turn around!
I got him, fuck.
One more TV up the stairs. Come up the stairs right now.
Sniper
One
from
more.
the church.
Same spot. Don't rest. Same spot.
Sniper from the church, bro.
I'm gonna res you.
On the top.
I can rest Tenzin too.
Enemies are dropping into the
Oh,
area.
what?
Can I drop money,
Landing on
please?
you, landing on you, Timmy. Timmy.
Okay.
landing on you. He just landed on church.
Nice.
Fuck. I should have gave you that. That was.
Nah, you're good, you're good, you're good. Buy UEs maybe? Or actually,
Down.
buy Mac, or buy Tenzin.
You want me cash?
Oh wait, how did Tenzin die? Hey Tenzin, can you crawl? Oh, I'm resi, fuck it.
Yeah, I'm crawling.
No, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
No, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Buy him, just buy him, just buy him.
Can anybody buy you? Oh, okay, should I buy?
Buy Tenzin, I'll buy you, I'll buy you.
Dude, we're gonna get help, bro. We need a smoke. We need a smoke.
I have no smoke.
I got a motorcycle.
Take it. Land out fast, We have to go right side.
Yeah, right side.
Bottom right.
I have smokes.
We have to kill this team, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm coming to you.
Get down.
He was ghosted. I didn't even realize there was ghosts like that. Dude, we all have to kill this team.
Alright, go in.
Going in. Going in, 180.
No, please, one more, two more. Just, someone rescue, Matt, come to the rescue.
I got
I
one.
got you. Got the second?
Nice.
They're bad. No one has a flare.
Yeah.
No, it's by chalk. Fuck. Play for the dub,
We got circle, oh my god. Bro, I need 3 more kills for the 30. 3 more kills for the 30.
Flare? Wait, do I have a flare? Yeah, I do have a flare.
No shot, let me up.
Yeah.
No fucking way. Big up the bomber clap.
Yeah, who needs money?
Cover me. Money.
I died. 28, that's not bad. I ain't even mad.
I hear him.
Actually, I want the 30, bro.